Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the coins I pick. That's not always an easy venture or something that comes easily. When I first started trading, I picked a little of this and a little of that. And to be quite honest, it cost me a lot of everything. Since then, I've always tried to rule out the weaker coins and try to find a way of focusing on the stronger coins. Market volume and trading volume are two of the things I use to help me see which coins are going to do well. But the one thing I've noticed lately that has really helped me out a lot is to look at the utilitarian factor of my coins. By utilitarian, I mean a coin that is pegged to something in the real world. Let's take, for example, Bitcoin. Bitcoin now has debit cards where you can actually buy goods and services right from your Bitcoin. That's a real world application. So that's important for utilitarian purpose because that gives you a way of actually using your crypto in real life. The second coin, and probably the strongest of all of them, is the Binance coin, or BNB. This is Binance's root currency. It's used to pay for fees, and it's used by millions of people worldwide. So it's often regarded as a unstable, stable coin. And there are forecasts all the way up to 2025 that projected around $27 per coin. So it's a fairly good asset to trade in. And as long as Binance is willing to prop it up as their root currency, it's probably one of the better utilitarian coins on the market. The third coin that I have been investigating is BAT, and that's being supported by the Brave browser. I've dealt with BAT in the past here and there with mixed results, but now that Brave has adopted it as its utilitarian coin, that might change and it might become more useful in the future. Only time will tell. But if you're looking for coins to pick in, the utilitarian nature of the coin seems to be the best driving force that you can actually pick to help you secure good profits and stable profits in both the short term and long term. They seem to be the most likely to recover when the markets take a downturn because it's their utilitarian nature pegged to real world events that keeps them stable. For example, with Bitcoin, as its debit cards begin to expand and spread, I personally think you're going to see more of a normalization in the price. You won't have as much speculation in terms of which way the coin is going to go. That's actually good for Bitcoin. It will reinforce its dominance and it will shape it as a legitimate global currency for goods and services. There are a lot of different projects on the network or on the internet that deal with cryptocurrencies. Ripple, XLM, Stellar, all of which have good and bad to them, and they all have a lot of support. But until they become utilitarian, they're going to fluctuate like crazy, and they may or may not be a good asset. So as you look forward to your coins and you actually start examining the market, take that into consideration, and you'll find your portfolio to be better in the long run by actually focusing on coins that have a real meaning. Well, that's it for now. So go ahead and subscribe to both my Patreon account and my YouTube account and give a like on the YouTube if you would please. Until next time.